Hello, welcome. In this video, I will be doing a review on the Sony Bloggie Touch MHS TS20. Recently, I found a cute community on Pinterest where they collect cameras and they decorate them with gems and stuff. So that's what I've been wanting to do. So I got my hands on this camera. It was really cheap. So I did purchase a used camera, but honestly I do not mind because the camera itself does look very new and everything is perfect and in perfect condition. Now I did get the black and silver one because that's the one that was available, but honestly I would prefer a white one. So if you do see a white one, make sure to get your hands on them because they are so gorgeous. But I wanted to show you guys a few ones that I found on Google so you can go ahead and try it. You can also get it from Amazon, that way you can return it if there's any issues. It comes with a USB port, which that's where you charge it and where you put all the videos and pictures into your computer. Honestly, I think it's such a good camera, and since there's not a lot of hype around it, it's very inexpensive right now. So if you see this video, go run and go get yourself a secondhand one because you'll find them for about 20 to 30 bucks right now because no one is talking about these. They're usually talking about the Sony CyberShot, and those are for 200, so I wasn't able to get my hands on those, but I figured another Sony would be perfect, and this one is so good. Now, of course, I had to give you guys a test shot, so I'm showing you guys my little Miku collection in the meantime. And in a while, I'm going to show you guys how the camera quality looks. Now, I do love that it has a zoom in and zoom out feature, which is great. In this clip, I'm trying to show you guys that the camera does focus on words, and that's really great. One thing that it does not have is a flash, but honestly I think that's fine because this is more like a camcorder, like a little digicam. Honestly, my iPhone is always out of storage, so I always need something else to make my YouTube videos on, so I'm really happy about this purchase. Stay tuned for a lot of Y2K style videos, even though the quality isn't too far off. So here's everything that it came with. I was lucky enough to find a seller that sent me everything and a good working camera for under $30. So if you can find someone that can do that for you, it is a plus because this camera is so amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. Now, if you are looking for a digital camera, this is not your usual digital camera. So I'm going to show you guys a comparison to my actual digital camera. You know, the screen is a bit bigger. It's more like an iPod or something, but you can't really do other things, you know, other than just take pictures and videos. But here I am just connecting it to my laptop, and it does charge, and you can transfer the videos and then airdrop it to your phone. So here's a video test. I'm honestly very impressed with the camera quality. It's so good. Nobody has ever talked about it. But in certain lightings, the camera quality is a little bit off, and so is the focusing. But as you guys saw in the previous clips, it does focus. So that is the end of this review for the Sony Bloggie MHS TS20. If you're thinking about getting this camera, I definitely think that you should because the quality is amazing and it's such a cute little camera that you can just bring anywhere and you don't have to worry about your iPhone storage. It also takes pictures, so here's a little bit of picture test for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!